Let's be honest, nothing beats a good party. Picture all your friends and family gathered under one roof to celebrate an event, laughing, dancing, or just hanging out well into the night. If you happen to be hosting a party, the least you can do is provide your guests a good bar cart. They not only give you a dedicated space to keep all your cocktail fixings, but also serve as an excellent piece of furniture to spice up your home. If you're a keen follower of home improvement, you may have also come across online videos of mothers who have turned bar carts into cozy nurseries for their kids and storage areas to keep baby supplies. It just goes to show the endless possibilities that a simple bar cart can present. Unfortunately, the bar cart market is flooded with various models of varying quality, making it nearly impossible to find the best one. The good news is our team of researchers has tried, tested, and compiled a list of the top 5 bar carts on the market. Whether you're a hotel owner looking to step up room delivery services, a DIY decor enthusiast looking to spice up your living room, or even an expectant mother looking to repurpose a cart into a nursery, we've compiled the ultimate list of top 5 bar carts in 2020. If you're interested in any of the products featured here, we've included links in the description box below. Keep watching to find out about each one of them. At number 1 is the Threshold Metal, Wood, and Leather Bar Cart. As the name suggests, this stylish and versatile bar cart is made of modern metal stands, classic wooden shelves, and a leather touch of luxury. One of the most striking features that you'll love about the Threshold bar cart is the sheer size. Measuring 36 inches high, 34 inches deep, and a little over 16 inches wide, it's large enough to